Hi, I'm Anya Curtin. I'm the large format product manager for our graphic communication division in Fujifilm, South Africa. So today we themed the event, the cuts above the rest. We were focusing mainly on our cutting solutions, which is the Sumo and the Valiani digital flatbed cutters. Together with that, we just brought it all together with a combination of the substrates. So we had Plexiglas joining us today, and they gave some really nice insights into how to print and finish Plexiglas. We also had Papercor sponsoring some of their high-Q Titan paper, which we used on the Valiani cutter, which we did some creasing and scoring. The cutting solution obviously complements the Fujifilm products, so especially on the flatbed ranges, we were showcasing the complement of our flatbed printers together with the flatbed cutters, whether it's paper substrates or Plexiglas. So we wanted to show the two cutters with the different substrates, what it can do. I think it went really great. It's nice to see the collaboration between partners, and I think it was well received by the customers. I think they're enjoying the insights into how to handle specific materials, what's the best equipment to process those materials, and tips and tricks that can help them in their production and be more productive and cost effective.